Your Zoho CRM attachments are important. Protect every file automatically.
Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the Attachment Logs module of Easy Attachment Backup for Zoho CRM. The Attachment Logs module provides a transparent and detailed view of each attachment handled by the extension. It makes it easy to monitor upload status, verify storage locations, and track related backup activity. This module serves as the central dashboard for all file backup operations. Now, let's see how it works. I am currently in the Deals module, and I will open a deal record. Inside this deal record, if I open the attachment section, you can see that I already have one file attached. Now I will upload another file. Click on Upload File. I will select this file and click Open. Then I will click Attach. You can see that my file has been uploaded successfully to the CRM record. Now let's check whether it has also been backed up automatically to Zoho WorkDrive. I will reload this tab. I am now inside the Attachment Backup folder in Zoho WorkDrive. Here you can see the folder created for this deal record. If I open the folder, you can see that the download PNG file has been uploaded automatically. Now, if you want to view the history or detailed information about this backed up file, go back to Zoho CRM. Here you can see another module named Attachment Logs. This module is created automatically when you install the extension. If I open the Attachment Logs module, you can see the download PNG file listed here. Now, if I click on this log record, you can view the detailed information about the attachment and its backup process. You can see all the details of this file here. First, you can see the attachment log name. Then you can see which CRM module this attachment belongs to. Next, you can see the response from the backup process. Here, you can see that the response was successful and there were no errors. You can also see the status message. In this case, the status message confirms that the file was uploaded successfully. Then you can see the file name and attachment ID. On the right side, you can see the module record ID. You can also see that the current status is success. Next, you can see the file size and drive name. We also have the delete status and delete message fields. If the attachment is deleted from Zoho CRM, these fields will be updated with the corresponding deletion status and message. You can also see the record folder parent ID and record folder ID. The record folder URL is also available here. If you click on this URL, it will take you directly to the corresponding folder in Zoho WorkDrive. From there, you can view the backed up file. This makes it very easy to verify the file and quickly access its backup location. Now, why should you use the Attachment Logs module? First, it helps you confirm that each attachment was uploaded and stored successfully. It also helps you identify failed uploads, errors, or permission-related issues. You can track which attachments have been removed from Zoho CRM. It also gives you quick access to the corresponding backup folders in your connected cloud storage. So, the Attachment Logs module gives you a complete overview of your attachment backup activity. This is another useful feature of Easy Attachment Backup for Zoho CRM.